Welcome to Jasmine Home and Garden, a place for calm interior design and elegant home decor. If you enjoy these ideas, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.
For many years, a green lawn has been considered the heart of a garden landscape. Yet many beautiful yards now explore alternatives that offer greater character and ease of care. Large grass areas often demand frequent watering, mowing, and seasonal maintenance. Replacing portions of turf can open new design possibilities throughout the yard. Ground covers, gravel, and flowering plantings create richer textures and visual layers. These alternatives introduce beauty while reducing daily upkeep. A thoughtfully designed garden feels more dynamic than a single surface of grass. With careful planning, lawn alternatives create welcoming landscapes that remain elegant through every season. Ground covers provide one of the most graceful replacements for traditional lawns. Low-growing plants spread gently across the soil to form a living green carpet. Varieties such as creeping thyme, clover, and moss offer rich texture and subtle seasonal interest. Many of these plants require far less water and maintenance than turf grass. Their small flowers add delicate color throughout the growing season. Ground covers also help suppress weeds and protect soil from erosion. When planted in sweeping drifts, they create a peaceful and cohesive landscape. The garden floor becomes lush, textured, and quietly beautiful. Gravel gardens offer a refined and practical alternative to wide grassy areas. Soft layers of natural stone create a clean and calming foundation for planting. Neutral gravel tones pair beautifully with modern and traditional architecture alike. Drought-tolerant plants thrive within this well-draining environment. Lavender, ornamental grasses, and hardy perennials introduce structure and seasonal color. Gravel surfaces reflect sunlight and brighten the overall landscape. Maintenance remains simple with occasional raking and light care. The result is a serene garden that feels airy, organized, and naturally elegant. A meadow-inspired yard replaces uniform grass with flowing layers of grasses and flowers. Native plants adapt well to local climates and often require less irrigation once established. Tall grasses sway gently with the breeze and bring movement to the landscape. Seasonal blooms appear in soft waves of color throughout the year. This natural planting style supports birds and pollinators. Walking paths can weave through the planting for quiet exploration. The garden feels relaxed and connected to nature. A meadow-style landscape offers beauty that changes gracefully with every season. Stone pathways combined with planting beds can transform large lawn areas into elegant garden rooms. Natural stepping stones placed within gravel or ground covers guide movement through the yard. Each path creates rhythm and visual interest across the landscape. Small planting pockets between stones soften the structure with greenery. These details introduce balance between hardscape and living elements. Carefully arranged paths encourage slow enjoyment of the garden environment. The yard becomes a thoughtful composition rather than a simple open field. Stone pathways add timeless charm and practical beauty to outdoor spaces. Ornamental grasses provide texture and movement that traditional lawns cannot achieve. Their slender leaves create graceful waves across the landscape. Many varieties tolerate heat, drought, and changing weather with remarkable resilience. Taller grasses introduce elegant vertical structure throughout the garden. Smaller varieties fill open areas with soft flowing texture. Sunlight highlights subtle color changes across the seasons. In autumn, feathery plumes glow with warm golden tones. Ornamental grass gardens feel relaxed, natural, and beautifully dynamic. Expanding patios and outdoor living spaces can greatly reduce the need for large lawns. Stone, brick, or concrete surfaces create welcoming areas for relaxation. Surrounding garden beds soften these structures with layered greenery and flowers. Low shrubs and perennials introduce seasonal interest around the edges. Smaller lawn sections may remain as gentle green accents within the design. This balanced approach blends structure with natural beauty. The landscape feels both practical and visually harmonious. Outdoor spaces become inviting extensions of the home environment. Choosing alternatives to grass allows a landscape to grow richer over time. Diverse plantings create depth, texture, and year-round visual interest. Water-wise designs support sustainability while maintaining elegance. Seasonal changes bring new colors and shifting patterns to the garden. Carefully arranged materials and plants form a balanced composition. Each year the landscape matures into a more layered and graceful setting. A thoughtfully planned yard celebrates both beauty and simplicity. Lawn alternatives invite a creative and enduring approach to outdoor design.
Timeless home aesthetics rest on calm spaces, gentle color harmony, layered textures, and thoughtful flow that bring comfort into daily surroundings. If these ideas brought inspiration, please like, subscribe, and share your favorite detail in the comments so this space can continue to grow with warmth and elegance.